All right, that's a neat way to travel. Isn't it great?
Since that ill-fated day in June when the explosion ripped the number 3 ship in half, maximum effort has been exerted toward getting another engine and installing it in Ship 2. Months of work, weeks of painstaking trials, round-the-clock days of final pre-flight were at last put to the test on the morning of November the 15th. This is the X-15 in its final stage of development. This run, if successful, will mark the beginning of a whole new era of flight research.
It's awesome. It's okay, you're down here, Scott. Okay to go? Right. Roger. 25. Pump idle. Idle cooling, got down. Got it. Launch. Turning off to the right, Scotty. The launch, the tank pressure is going up to 60. And I'm going uphill. I'm reading 320. Launch tank is holding at about 55. About 1-2, that big one open. How's it look, Al? Looked real good, Scotty. You made about a 10-degree turn to the right when you came off.
With the new engine loafing at idle, the plane could go to 4 times the speed of sound. So the speed brakes are open to stay close to Mach 2.
It's good, Scott. A little right, of course. You're okay.
Fire and ready, Ralph.
Chuck, could you tell us in your own words how the flight went and what you thought of it?
Very well, and the engine and its power is impressive.
What was your maximum altitude and speed? Did you have a chance to check that yourself?
Yeah, I got about 80,000 feet and a Mach number approaching 3.
Scott, your radio talk sounded a bit hesitant this morning before takeoff. What was that about?
Oh, no, I think you misinterpreted that. Of course, we've been doing the best we can to get this flight off for 5 years. There's any hesitancy there.
Scott, having observed the minimum thrust performance of the engine, do you think that the airplane now will be able to live up to its design promises of altitude and speed while we exceed it? Or how do you feel?
Yeah, really, without question. I got a little faster today than we'd planned, and we have in our previous flights, in my flights, gotten faster than we'd planned because for once in history, we've overestimated the drag on the airplane. I think it'll exceed its original expectations.
Just 7 days later, the second flight was launched. And on the 6th of December, the third. Both showed the engine to have all the abilities claimed of it. These 2 eminently successful flights closed the year. But the story of the X-15 stands not in the past, but in the future, when every flight is a record breaker, when every trip away from the B-52 is an unparalleled research mission. Human hands will be learning a new skill to thrust deep into unexplored areas, capture vital information, then settle to a safe return from that twilight land standing between Earth and space.